Good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to pay a great thanks to my teacher who gave me this opportunity to speak here. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Akshara Pandey and my topic is tourism in India. So what is tourism? Tourism is the term we use when we go outside for exploring new activities, for exploring new places and to chill out. Like how we increase tourism in India. We need to work on the tourism sector for increasing GDP in India. If we increase tourist places, so foreigners countries will visit our country and increase our GDP level, because we get foreign exchange, foreign reserves, and if foreigners visit our country, so we will get employment. Our employment structure will improve. Our investment sector will improve. Tourism department have to work on the tourism sectors. There are many benefits of the tourism in India. First, job creation. Like if you do job near side in the tourism places like Dehradun, if you set a shop of confectionery and you are doing your business, so it will increase your job satisfaction. Second benefit is infrastructure development. Third, cultural development. And fourth is GDP increase of India. Aside of the benefits, there are more cons also. Like if everyone visit our country, if everyone visit every place of tourism, so there will be a more crowd. If there will be more crowd, so I think there will be cleanliness disturbs, because everyone will eat or throw the wrapper in everywhere. So there are two major disadvantages of tourism. But if we want to make our Muzaffarnagar to be one of the most knowing city, so we have to work on the tourism sector. We need to work to set a place in which place everyone attracts. So we need to set up a tourist thing in our Muzaffarnagar. There are more tourist places in our country: Roberts Cave, Red Fort, India Gate, Taj Mahal, Ram Mandir, Akshardham. There are many places in our country to visit. So it's all about my topic.